National Weather Service in Milwaukee Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Jefferson County in southeast Wisconsin, northeastern Rock County in south-central Wisconsin, western Waukesha County in southeast Wisconsin, northwestern Walworth County in southeast Wisconsin, until 5 o'clock p.m. At 3:56 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Whitewater, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Whitewater around 4:05 p.m. Palmyra around 4:10 p.m. Houseman around 4:30 p.m. Oconomowoc around 4:35 p.m. Delafield and Lac La Belle around 4:40 p.m. Okaukie Lake around 4:45 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Chanequa, Millard, Lake Lac La Belle, Hebron, National Weather Service Milwaukee Sullivan, Rome, Tibbetts, Mapleton, Pipersville and Monterey. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.